Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check the question 3 of the progression test style questions of stage 8. It says, complete the following statement. 32 miles is equals to an space in kilometers. So that means we need to express this 32 miles, its equivalence in kilometers. So for this one we need to know that 1 mile is equals to 1.6 kilometers. And we could use a conversion factor. If you don't know how to use conversion factors, go check the video that I leave you in the description. So we have 32 miles and we multiply by the conversion factor. The conversion factor has the same amount at top and bottom, but with the equivalence. So we need to cancel miles. So I put it at the bottom, so I cancel them out. And at the top I leave kilometers because it's the measure that I want. And then we have that 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. And then I just need to do this multiplication. So 32 times 1.6. 6 times 2 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 19, 1 times 2, and 1 times 3. We have to get a one decimal. So 51.2. That means 32 miles is the same thing as 51.2 kilometers. And that's how you would get the mark. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if it was useful, book your own lessons with me if you want, and let me any question you have in the comments box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.